everybody, this is Lolita. Today's video, let's learn mathematics. The topics to be discussed are intended for 5th graders. Now, if you wish to improve your skills in mathematics, please check this out. But before we get started, let me just ask how are you feeling at the moment? I hope you're feeling good and please be safe. Now, today's lesson is all about uses divisibility rules for 2 to find the common factors of numbers. Now, let's begin with some breathing exercises. Inhale. Then, you blow a balloon. Count 3, 2, 1, then pop the balloon. Alright, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, pop. Alright, good job. Alright, so let's proceed with the lesson. So, uses divisibility rules to find common factors of numbers. Now, let's begin with a drill. Question, are you familiar with odd and even numbers? Alright, so odd numbers are numbers that cannot be divided by 2 evenly. Even number, on the other hand, is any number that can be exactly divided by 2. Is it clear? Let's have a drill. You say hep hep if the number is an odd number. Then you say hooray if the number is an even number. Again, you say hep hep if the number is an odd number. Then you say hooray if the number is an even number. Alright? Now let's get started with this number. Alright, good job. It's hep hep. What about this number? Yeah, it's hooray. Some more. How about this next number? Well done. That is hooray. How about this number? Good job. It's hep hep. And this number? Good job. It's hooray. Alright, good job everyone. Now let's have a review on multiples of a number. For number 1, the first 3 multiples of 2 are 4, 6, 8. Very good. And for number 2, the multiples of 3 are 6, 9, 12. Very good. For number 3, the multiples of 5 are 10, 15, 20. Very good. For number 4, the multiples of 6 are 12, 18, 24. Good job. For number 5, the multiples of 8 are 16, 24, 32. Right? Are all your answers correct? Well, let's give ourselves a Coke applause. Right, so let me do it first. 3 claps in your hands. 1, 2, 3. Then 3 steps on the floor. 1, 2, 3. Then open the bottle. Then you say, as if you're drinking the Coke, the soda. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job! So this time, let's have a game. The boat is sinking. Are you familiar? Or let's say, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4. So you group yourselves into 4. You come and join together because the boat is about to sink. Alright, so those students who failed to group with the others will be out of the game. Okay? Now let's go. First, you need to be careful. Okay? Alright, so are you ready? Yeah! Now let's begin. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2. Okay, perfect. Again. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5. Alright, so those who cannot join with the group, okay, you can take your receipts now. Good job. Another, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3. Good. Alright, thank you so much everyone. This time, let's get started with the lesson. Divisibility guidelines for 2. You have to check whether it is an even number. So it is an even number if the digit in one's place could be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now let's have an example. 1,458 is divisible by 2 because the number is even, or the digit in one's place is 8. Right? Take note that the number is divisible by 2 if it is an even number, or the digit in one's place could be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, let's have these numbers. You check if the number is divisible by 2. For number 1, that is 54,180. Alright. Is that an even number? Or try to look at the digit in one's place. That is 0. So, that is divisible by 2. Correct? Number 2, 912. Alright, so the digit in one's place is number 2. That falls under the divisibility guidelines for 2, meaning that number is divisible by 2. Correct? Number 3, 2,700. Of course, that is an even number, right? Meaning that is divisible by 2. Number 4, 5,605. Of course, that is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the digit in one's place is 5. And 5 is an odd number. Good job! Another example, 462. Is that divisible by 2? Yes or no? Okay, the answer is yes. Because the digit in one's place is number 2, and 2 is an even number. Okay, and that's it. Very simple, right? Question, how do we find the factors of a number using divisibility by 2? In order to know if the number is divisible by 2, you have to check whether it is an even number. Or, if it is an even number, the digit in one's place could be 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So, do you have a question before we proceed with our test? Right, so try to answer as much as you can. Write yes if the number is divisible by 2 and no if it is not. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1, can 486 be divided by 2? Correct. The answer is yes. Number 2, can 728 be divided by 2? Correct. It's yes. Number 3, can 784 be divided by 2? It's yes. Number 4, can 200 be divided by 2? Correct. It's yes. Number 5, can 265 be divided by 2? The answer is no. Alright, so good job everyone! Right, so this is going to be your assignment. Write yes on the blank before each item, whether the given number is divisible by 2. Alright, and that's it. I hope you learned something. Again, this is Lolita. Until next time, bye!